Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, an amazing announcement for all the people who have taken Oneneuron for the lifetime. We are planning to again include live sessions also inside this, and the date from which it is going to start is 28th Feb. So this is the entire roster plan for the month of February. Between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. every day we will be having classes, and these are all the classes that will be parallelly occurring. Okay, so you have Node.js, you have Arduino, you have DSA, you have machine learning, big data, blockchain, statistics, and aptitude. So these all sessions will be running parallelly, where different mentors will teach you between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and also answer your queries, whatever queries you have when you are attending the session, right? So this is the plan, and every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all the sessions are there. On Saturday and Sunday, the syllabus little bit changes. You have ML interview preparation, then Linux, Power BI, drone, DSA interview preparation, and AI ops. So remember the date. It is basically going to get started from February 28th. Okay, so this is one of the things which many people had actually requested, and yes, finally we are happy to announce this specific thing in Oneneuron. Okay, and if you don't know about Oneneuron, the Oneneuron platform is a platform in ineuron where we provide tech courses, more than 100 plus tech courses, which is currently available at 7080 rupees INR, including GST, for lifetime. Okay, and right now still the platform is getting matured, so probably till next month this offer will stay, and after that you'll not get this offer, guys, of lifetime. And even once the platform is getting matured, you will also not be able to get this course in 7080. Okay, so it's a request, utilize this opportunity, go ahead with this, and it will be for lifetime. Later on, if you ask me, Krish, I'm not getting lifetime, at that point of time I cannot help you, because I tried my level best talking to the business team to extend as much as possible, but right now the platform is getting 80% matured, more 20% is there remaining, and probably in the upcoming month it will get fixed. Okay, so there are some of the interesting features that we have included. Many people were saying that can we apply a filter based on different domains. Finally we have included that. So here you have all with respect to blockchain, we have uploaded the courses. With respect to the cloud, you can apply a filter and start preparing for it, guys. It is up to you. Now you can go ahead and learn anything whenever you want, and based on that you can take a specific decision like what you really want to learn. Okay, so every filter has been applied. One more feature that we have probably put is that, suppose if I am in the data science, I want to put this as my next target, I can add this to favorites, so you will be able to find out this specific course in your collection. So you can keep this specific target and start preparing for this. This was also one of the feedback that we got, and finally we have included that. More roadmaps are going to come with respect to MERN stack, with respect to complete web development, complete full stack web development, and then big data engineering. All the roadmaps are going to come very much soon, which we are in process. What's next is another feature where we have uploaded all the things, all the courses that are going to come up in which month. So that is also available over here, right? And there is one amazing thing for the Oneneuron people is regarding the Course-A-Thon. And this Course-A-Thon here, you are actually getting awards like MacBook and all. So here we have launched this many Course-A-Thons, and all this final date is from 31st till 31st March. As I said, after 31st March, you won't get any of the offers right now. It is there. Even you will not be getting for lifetime. We are coming up with 3 subscription, 1-year plan, 3-year plan, and 5-year plan, and the price is going to get increased. Right now, the price is 7080 INR. That time, the price is going to become 20,000 minimum, right? And again, who is decided that? Based on the cost, based on the team size, we have to come up with that specific discussion. So I tried my level best, but yes, March is mostly the deadline. Okay, now if you see over here, how do you participate in any kind of Course-A-Thon? Now what is Course-A-Thon? This is a competition. Whoever submits more number of assignments along with the preparation, along with other factors of completing the video, there will be a course analytics to you. Like suppose if I go to the data science masters, over here you have this specific Course-A-Thon. If you go and see in the course analytics right now, number 1 in the leaderboard is Gopi Ji and Suneni Lakshmi, right? I think for the top 3 or 5 people, you're going to get some amazing rewards like MacBook, right? So how do you do this? How do you come to this? You have to you have to basically start accessing all the courses and start solving assignments, right? As you go ahead and solve more and more assignments, only the last date is March 31st. Until then, whoever is in the top 5 leaderboard, probably top 5 or top 3 if I go and see in the challenges. So winners will get MacBook. You can see with respect to every challenges, whoever will be the leaders over there till 31st March. If you are participating into this, if you are learning continuously, see, we are also motivating you to learn, right? If you learn more, if you solve more assignments, you will be getting MacBook. So that is the winner prize that we have come up with. So yes, two important dates. One is with respect to the live class. The live class is basically going to start from 28th of Feb. You can parallel attend any of the live class over here. Just go ahead and click this from 28th. You'll be able to get the Zoom link and you'll be able to join the live sessions. Even you'll be able to clear your doubt clearing session. Apart from that, the another one is that challenges is there for you. We are also motivating you to study, and remember, this offer is only till 31st March, where you'll be getting the lifetime offer of 7080, and after that the price is going to get increased. Okay, so again, don't tell me later on, Krish, you did not tell us, you did not do this. I'm just telling you what is happening over here. And yes, at that point of time, more and more courses are getting uploaded, as I have already shown you in what's next here itself. So go ahead and utilize this opportunity and take up the course. Thank you, Vandal. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.